Find car speakers that fit your car, car sound systems. Get tips for finding the right size of replacement car speakers. Car sound systems all come with different sizes of speakers. If your audio system or even just the speakers give out, you need to purchase replacement car speakers. Here's how to determine what size will fit in your car. The easiest way to determine what size speakers you need is by taking a look at the originals. Most vehicles have at least 4 speakers, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. If you locate these, you can usually figure out what size will fit. Look in your vehicle's owner manual. All cars come with owner's manuals, and all owner's manuals have information about speaker sizes. Call or visit your nearest car dealership. Any service department employee at your car dealership can tell you what size speakers will fit your car. Visit vehicle forums online. Peruse online message boards for your brand of vehicle. Examples: www.m5board.com, www.toyota-4runner.org. These message boards usually contain the information that you are looking for. If you cannot find the information, post a new thread asking for the answer. Visit online electronics resources like www.crutchfield.com. They have car speaker size guides for all vehicle makes and models that are free for all users. Visit your local car stereo store. Any person working at a local car stereo store, or a big electronics chain store, Best Buy, Circuit City, etc., can easily tell you what size speakers will fit your car. Required tools: Internet useful links, Crutchfield Best Buy.